What's up, Blue Gang? It's your boy MOE. Welcome to Life of Blues Trading Academy. Today, we're talking about a platform I use personally on my day-to-day trading activities. I utilize it very well in my trading setup and how I place my trade. Now, today, we'll be talking about TradingView. Now, for those newbie traders looking to get started, this video is for you. And if you find this video being helpful for your trading, don't fail to like and subscribe. Let's hit it. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? You can see we have TradingView up here. You can see it's up to 60% off 1 month. You can see the discount currently up 60% off. That's for the pro plan. So we're looking to go into the pro plan, which is best. You can trade with normal, but basic. But if the pro is also best because there are some other features attached to the pro firm pro plan. Sorry. Now you can see it. I created a new email just for this purpose, so we can both sign up together on TradingView. So let me show you guys how it works. So now you see, you can click here, Black Friday sales. You can see these are pro plan minus 40%, minus 50%. You can see you can do this and get this plan. You can do this. You can scroll down. You can see some other things that are here. Share with your friend, some other things, or you can just come here and you see sign in. You click sign in. Now this is I already have an email there before, so this is not what I'm going to use. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take it out. Then down you see sign up. You click the sign up. And when you click the sign up, you can see if you have a Google log in into your account, you can just click sign up with Google or Facebook. For these purposes, I'm going to use email, and I'm going to put down the email I just created for this purpose. So I created a new email that I'm going to use. Mike. Let me try to remember the email now. Yeah. Then you put the username. You can use your email name as the username. For this purpose, I'm going to do that. Then you put the password. You create the password. And you mark, yes, I read the terms and conditions. I'm not a robot. Traffic light. Verify. Create account. So they're going to tell you that your account is not active yet. Please verify your email. So you're going to send you an email on your you're going to send an email to you on your email, a mail to you on your mail that I used to sign up for TradingView. So I'm currently going to my mail to check if I'll see any confirmation. So I've seen the mail now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to confirm it. I'm going to activate my account. Yeah, I've done that. So what I'll do, I'll refresh the page. Then I'll come back to sign in, log in, put in my details, and sign in. Okay, so sign in. So yeah, you can save your password. There you can put a picture if you want. You can put a name, Mike, and just put MOE something, then click continue. And that's it. Now you've signed up for TradingView. You now have a TradingView account. Now you can decide to go pro and get discounts, 40% off. Then what you do next, you go to chat. When you click chat, They will come on. But when for the first time, I'm not sure this is what you're going to see. You're going to see something like this. This should be what you see first. This should be the first thing you see. In case you see something like this, take note that it's fine. Or you see something like this candle, take note that it's also fine. But what you're going to do for me now is that we need to make this. We need to own the chart. So first thing you do, you come down here, you left click, sorry, right click, then click remove. All this is news activities. You right click again, turn them off. Turn them off. You see they are all removed. You see some other things there. Just right click and click hide or remove. You see them. Then you come back up here. The things I need to do. You can see line charts. You click line charts. You see candlestick. You click candlestick. Then you remove. Then you come down here. You see it, candlestick. Then you come up to this place. It shows D. We stand for 1 day. Then it depends on your setup, what kind of analysis you use. For me, I use the daily. I mark the daily. I use the weekly. I mark the weekly. Depends on you as a trader what you use. I use the 1 hour. I use the 4 hour. I use the 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. That's what I use. So you as a trader, you should know what time frame you use. So these are the time frame I use, and this is time frame I'll mark up. So those newbies, you guys can mark the same thing I did just now. But that's it. So now you come over here. There are some tools we all know we use, like the trend line, horizontal line. I click it, you can see favorites. I see the stars marking up there. I'm marking up my favorites. You can see horizontal ray. I mark it as well because I use it as well. So I go over to the next one. For those traders that use Fibonacci to trade, you can see it is here. You click it, but I don't use Fibonacci. So I go to the other one. I mark up this because I use it a lot. I use this as well. So I mark up this. I use it to teach my student. So I mark this up. So this as well, I mark it up. So I go to the next one, text. So I mark up my text as well. Mark it up, mark it up and down. You understand? So this one is for executing my position long and short. So I mark it a favorite as well. Mark it and mark it. Now you can see that they are all down here now. So anytime I need these tools, there's no need for me to come up here and start looking for them. I can just easily click any of them here, and that's it. So that's it for the first round of it. So all I also need to do is to right click. You go to settings, appearance. You can see vertical gray line. You can turn it off. Horizontal. Let's move it. Session break. It's not turned on yet, but you click OK. You can see that the chart now is clean and good. That's it. So now you can see there's watches here. You can decide to delete the stock. If you don't trade stock, anyone you don't do, delete. You can see it's out. You can see feature, delete. You can delete as anyone you don't trade, you delete, you remove it. You can remove as many as you want. You can remove crypto. If you click crypto, you can hide crypto. Then you can see watch list. Then you can click watch list. You can click add. You can see the plus sign here above, plus, you add it. You type in anything you trade, GPP, JPY, anything, you just click it and enter. You can see the first one that different brokers will come out. You can see FXCM, or handle, Forex.com. Me, I trade with the FXCM because I prefer that one. It works with my own personal broker. I trade it. So I click as add. So you see it comes down here to crypto, or you can move it to Forex. Anyway, you want to move, you click, you left click and drag. That's what you do. So that's how it basically is. So when you click, come over to this place and click any of the pair, you see that automatically it changed to that particular pair you're trading. So now it's like that. You can also come down here and remove it, just a chart alone. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. You can see this are news, so you can hide events. You right click and hide events. You can see you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can left click, move your sideways, move sideways, move sideways. You can move anyhow you want. Now this replay bar actually remove the pass. Now, why it works on the daily, because it's higher time frame. If I go to the 4 hour, it won't work because I don't have a pro account. So if I was using a pro account, I'll be able to backtest my strategy as well using this replay bar. So that's why it's good for a trader to subscribe for a pro account using the TradingView. I think the list for a month is like a $14 plan. So that's not cheap. That's cheap, sorry. That's cheap. So that's something that someone can do. So that's it. So what I think now, if you want to save your link, and probably just assume you enter a trade from here, and you want to send your link to someone or something, you can just click. You see a camera top there. You can see save chat image, copy chat image, copy link on chats. Now I've copied it. I go to a new browser and I paste it. You can see it will come outside. You can see the same. So that's how you do it. If you want to be able backtesting your strategy, this is how you copy your link and save. So that's it on TradingView. I hope this video, you guys learned a lot from this video on how to mark up your sign up and how to do your TradingView. You can see you can also delete. If you want to delete this thing now, you just click it. That you click it and press backspace, or you see a delete bar down there. Just try it again. You see, once you click it, you see a delete bar up here. It does being removed. You see it. So that's it. That's it on TradingView. And there's some other things you can use, like this one now. Use it to measure your pip count. You can see measurements, measure your pip count. You can see you have like 700 pip counting on this. You can see it. This zoom, if you want to zoom in a specific place, you just mark up and see it zoom. So that's it. Backspace, you can see it. For those traders that use ASZ, ABC pattern, Elliott wave, and triangle. So that's it on GPP, JPY on TradingView. Now, for a trader, now if let me say you want to mark up your support and resistance, and you don't want to keep pressing here, you can. There's a place here. You just click it, stay on join. You can see you can draw as many as I want, and when you're done, you can just remove it. So that's a lot. Remove or drawing, right click, you can remove or drawing, remove all indicators. Now for those traders that use indicators to trade, you can see, you can click indicator here and search for any indicator you want to use, search for it, and it puts your space. So just try the moving average, indicator, you can see search here. Let's try the moving average, moving average. You can see it's exponential moving average. You click it, you can see it's out. Then if you want to edit it, you come to where the line is, you click it, you right click, or you just click it here, then come up here to moving average. You can see moving average down here. Up here, you click settings and you fill in the space. So that's it on any indicator you want to use. That's it, how you trade it. I hope this video was you guys learned a lot from this video. It was passed value to you guys in your trading and how to improve your trading, and expect more. I'll be dropping more contents like this. So if you find this video being helpful for your trading, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and that's it. Bye. Peace.